doing musicals and all of that. I think it is in that vein that we could probably do collabs and work together. But yes, of course.
I'd like to
Yes.
piggyback on Lara's statement. She said, "Parang you need to make yourself relevant." No, I understand that your genre, it's not that
Yes.
parang mainstream. So also again, you're doing musical, you're doing standards as well. So how do you guys keep yourself relevant in this, very dynamic landscape of OPM?
Well, we're just so grateful there's social media now, and how social media has been giving us success in promoting our music and our genre. So I think I mentioned earlier that last year I posted a video of singing a Mozart piece, but I wouldn't think would be so interesting to people. But it got 30 million views. And every time, and then just yesterday, Gian and I, we posted about doing Phantom of the Opera in the morning. And then it's it's doing so well online right now. So, and then suddenly we just, wow, people want this, no? Parang we never thought. And it's just nice that I feel like it's sort of inspiring for the youth especially, and like people start coming to us and say, how do I become like that? How do I learn how to sing like that? And we come in, we always like, wow, really people are interested to know how to build this foundation in music. So we always say, just get a good teacher, because that's how we started. We both started with a good teacher, music, and how parang a lot of people kasi parang, how do you sing like that? How do you make it so effortless? It went through a lot. You think it's effortless, but it took us how many years? 10 years minimum to get to making it look effortless. So I think that's how we become relevant. Because people look up to you and they wonder how. And you tell them the secrets, you tell them the tools. And then we're just happy that they're getting younger and younger every day. People who come up to us. Hello.
Hello. I guess one of my experiences of what I'm doing is becoming relevant is through the stories you tell and the materials and songs you sing pa rin. And I guess one example is when we created, I was the first cast, and we created characters for Ang Huling El Bimbo, the musical. I mean, when we were creating that show, they didn't think that it was going to be repeated or like it was just 38 shows. This naging 185 shows kami. And then the theater was full, 1,700 every night, like Thursday or Sunday. And most of the people, and then it was streamed online overnight for 12 million views. I was like, why? Wow, people like this? And then a lot of people, like for example, the young generation, the Gen Zs, like it's like the first time hearing these songs that came out in 1993, but it's not Eraserhead singing, it's us singing. And they were requesting me, like people in high school, requesting me to sing Ang Huling El Bimbo, my version, the version that I did in the musical, the dramatic one. And I felt that I guess this is one way. That's the process of becoming relevant to a lot of people. It's just you just trust the material, trust the creativity of what you're doing, trust the people that if they like it, they like it. A good story, a compelling, moving story that can be relatable at that moment, because the songs suddenly had a different life. Hindi naman ganun present dati noong 1993. Ngayon, present siya na visually, present siya in a story, and as a character. It suddenly became Hector Samala to others more than knowing that I'm Gian Magdangan. So that's my perspective of how to become relevant. It's like really telling stories that would really get the young people or more people hooked onto, and just really relating to that value yung value na naiiwan mo, yung marka na naiiwan mo, I guess could be one way to be relevant.
And we're so excited because grabe yung boom ng musical theater in the Philippines na original Filipino music. That's why it brings me to be excited also for the coming of the musical soon.
Yes.
Exciting talaga.
So you're part of that. I mean,
We,
have you asked him for?
He's always we talk about it too. Like we have
I consult them.
Yeah, we make him, you watch this, Rogi, kasi it might be a good inspiration for how you're gonna do your musical. And it's exciting because lahat ng lumalabas this
They
year.
told us who not to work with. No, I'm joking.
Lahat ng lumalabas this year, grabe, mas marami pa yung original Filipino musicals.
It's true. This year.
Kaya nakakatuwa lang na parang, sabi ni Sir Ogie kanina, yung OPM was like, it's impossible. But this now, there's such a big boom on from OPM songs now to OPM musicals. So yeah, we're excited for that. Very, very much.
So aside from songwriting, you really see people, well, of course, who cannot write, but you see them sing, or you see them perform, or they rap, or talagang nilalagyan na rin nila yung sarili nilang flavor. Yung flavor din ng OPM kasi kakaiba siya talaga.
Okay, what do you think we should do parang to sustain this kind of interest sa OPM?
Who's we?
I mean, the industry.
Move. Create. Produce. Kailangan huwag tayo tama rin. Alis ka na, Lea!
No, I'm just going to the bathroom.
Okay.
She's been here.
Kailangan huwag tayong tama rin, di ba? Of course, we're, as I said, reaping the benefits of all what was started. But we has to. And of course, we will have days when, that didn't quite work out, you know? Oops, that didn't. And we learn. There is no stopping us from learning and creating. And I think, yun yung spice, di ba? Ng pagiging creative person. So, I think that's all. I think the audience is ready to watch something new. We all have stories to tell. I mean, every person on TikTok or on Instagram wants to tell a story. And once it interests, papanood nyo ba yung yung halimbawa nagluluto, pero wala namang kinalaman yung kinukwento niyo sa
Yes.
Pero nag-kwento siya.
I don't watch those, okay? But I find my wife watching it. There's just this person cooking, and I met this person, and blah, blah, blah. But really, it's you want to hear a story, diba? And stories are told every single day. And what more if you have the platform to do it on a big stage, So that's what I don't know if I answered your question.
Yeah, okay.